Shivadhyanyogā teaches to realize Satyam Shivam Sundaram, truth, consciousness and bliss, and your insightful and open-mindedness. You can see the world with a great clarity, without attachment to preconceived ideas about people, places, things, and you become peaceful with yourself. One becomes unable to observe the world without jumping into conclusion, judging them, accepting things as it is, what it is and that it is the way of the superconscious. With the consciousness, one sees and accepts the nature of self and nature of others. That belief and intuition are replaced with the clarity of vision and understanding. A good karma, great karma, grace karma gives you inner strength. The realized one has a great inner strength, connecting with sources of spiritual nourishment, focus, contemplation, through healthy and very beautiful interaction with people around. You are being best with self and others. The Shivadhyanyogā seeker need a joy. There is no power struggle. There is only giving, only divine. Whatever you have best, you just share, give, and be smiling. That is the divine leadership. The enlightened one, realized one is a leader. Being awakened with knowing yourself, you understand the nature of suffering. You understand others' way of being and living. One realizes self-duty to help others find freedom from suffering, give them peace talk, being there. The spiritual one leads rather than control. The enlightened one is joyous to be with. Be mindful of health, physical, mental, emotional. One must know our mind, body and spirit, and must be in the symphony, harmony, inner joy, velocity of vibration and awakening air. That Shiva self maintain the spiritual bliss, understanding physical, mental health. One doesn't blindly depend on others for your well-being. You become mindful and super careful with what you consume, what you eat, what you talk. So you understand, speak good, be good, eat good, listen good, see good, feel good. In the karma, in the good action, the realized one never forgets how to achieve joy for yourself and others. Every actions create opposite and equal reaction. So create the positive action, do the good karma. The enlightened one is a smiling person, mindful, developing an understanding of true nature of our existence and nature of the humanity, nature of the whole world. One becomes committed to spiritual practice. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Shambho, Jai Shiva.